Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover purchasing and activating your ClickMimic license. Go to clickmimic.com, just like you can see at the top of my browser, and click the Buy Now button. On this page, you can see all of our plans. We'll focus on purchasing the monthly subscription for one device with a 7-day trial. Click the checkout button next to the plan that suits you. On the right side, enter your real email address. Your license key will also be sent to it. Then enter your card details to complete the payment. After filling in your email address and card details, select your country from the list and click Pay. After Gumroad processes your payment, you'll see a set of setup guides and the program installer available for download. It's also available on our website. At the very bottom, you'll also see your license key. Save it. You'll use it to activate ClickMimic. You can use the copy button next to the key. If you forget to copy the key in the previous step, don't worry, you'll also receive it at the email address you provided when purchasing the license. After purchasing the license, launch ClickMimic app. You'll see a screen where you need to enter the license key you received right after purchase and via the email address you provided during checkout. If you click the copy button next to the license key after purchase, now you just need to click Paste from clipboard, and then activate. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased and activated your license. Now go to the License tab. There you'll find details about your license type, how many devices it covers, and for subscriptions when it expires. You can now start using the program. Get ClickMimic at clickmimic.com/buy.